So I'm going to take off these rubber stuff off and see if I can install it with the small screwdrivers that they give me. See if it works or not. So I'll be right back. What I'm going to do now is I just took it out and I put it back in because I could not fit anything in there. I'm going to remove the screw and relocate this over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the SSD that you can mount right here, right there. So I'm going to move this to the back in the middle, and then I'm going to put the new SSD right inside here, because you can mount it right here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got all the screws out. This is what the screws look like, the ones that's holding the board for the motherboard for the SSD. So this one, I finally took it out right here. Now I'm gonna move it back a little bit. Yeah, just gonna relocate it to in here so that I can put in this other one right here, so it has more room. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we did it. Everything is screwed on tightly. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We did it. We beat the game. Yeah. And then I moved that over there. It took forever just to get these big screws out. So now we're gonna go over here and put it back in where we found it. Put it back in like this. I think that's how you put it back in. Shit, I hit a wire or something. Throw this wire across the street. Okay, put it back in like this. Okay. Now before we put the screws, before we tighten the screws, we want to make sure that we can connect the cables. Before I tighten the screws, I want to make sure that the cables line up correctly and I can connect it back the same way that I had it. Okay, let me put in a new cable. This is a new one that I just got. The power cable. What's this called? I don't know what this is called, but we're gonna plug it in right here. That's one. And then this one. Plug this in right here. Yes, it fits. Okay, that's two. Make sure it's tight in there. Okay. Make sure nothing's broken. And then plug in these two. Yeah, put this in. One goes in here. Okay, one goes in here. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, I'm turning on the lights. Okay, can you see? Can you see? I can't. Okay, I think it goes in like this. I think it goes in like this. There we go. It's nice and tight in there. That's what she said. That's what she said. Nice and tight in there. Okay, it's nice and tight in there. That's what she said. Make sure it's nice and tight in there so it doesn't fall off. Okay, where's the other one? Oh yeah, it's in here. Okay. There's this one right here. P7, huh? Okay. I think it goes in like that. If I can get it in. Okay, try it again. This, there we go. Okay, it's in. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's all we took out. And I added in a new one right here. This is the new cable that I added, the red one. I just put that one in. It came with the kit. This kit is nice. It gives you all the extra screwdrivers you need. The only thing you need to get is this big one right here to fit inside. It's missing that. If it had that one, that would be great. So it can fit inside this case here. But yeah. Alright, let's put all the screws back in and see if it works. Turn the computer on, see if it works. Put all the screws back in. One here, one here, and then one all the way on the bottom. That's gonna be hard to reach. This one, the screw on the bottom, I could not get in there. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to use 2 hands for this one. Okay, it's in. Okay. Yep. I don't want to tighten it too tight because I might need to remove it again next time. But yeah, it's in there. Okay, it's good. This one, just tighten this a little bit. Tighten this up a little more. There we go. And then I will turn on the computer and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching this video. That's how you install an SSD, an extra SSD into your computer. I have 2 here, 1, 2, and yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye for now. We need to clean some of this dust. There's a lot of dust in here. Need to clean it up. But yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching. Need to I'll manage this cable. Let's put these cables back in here. I took out some screws before I put the case back in. So put the case back. So I put the screws back in here. Screws here. But yeah, everything's working. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more ghetto technology videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And you want to learn English. Oh yeah, I forgot to loosen. I removed this. I'm not sure why I did that. I loosened these screws. Why did I do that for? Okay, we're done. Looks like we're missing 1, 2 here. Alright, we're done. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Put this back in. Put this back in. Put this back in. Put this back in.